Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, the application was unable to start correctly 0xc0000906 fix in Windows 11, 10. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scanno. Type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Exit and restart system. Second method is open Windows Security. Turn off all protection. Third method is right-click problematic application shortcut, click Properties, click Compatibility tab. Change operating system one by one and test working properly. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.